What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. Before we go any further, man, I need you to subscribe to the channel, man. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers right now, man. Help your boy out. I need you right now watching me to subscribe to the channel, man, and help me out, man. That's all I'm trying to accomplish. Then after that, sky's the limit, man. Let's go up. I can't wait. But anywho, you guys seen the video yesterday, man. That thing is sounding amazing. Yes, our 2015 Street Glide CVO is sounding crazy now. I don't know if it's going to top that black and red Black Widow back there, man. Yes, the 2017 Road Glide Special. I don't know if it's going to top that. I mean, it is really loud. We got the cam in there. It's got the S&S Sidewinder 2-in-1 pipe. So it's got a good competition, a good lineup against it, man. I ain't going to hold you. Now, is it as fast? I don't know. We'll just have to see, man. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my red and black Road Glide Special, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are just about halfway sold out, man, so get your entry while you can. Thinking about putting the CVO in there. I gotta ride it first and see how it's feeling, man. After that, we'll definitely know if I should give it up and give it to one of you guys, man. Let you guys feel this thunder power over here, man. But without further ado, let's mount up these cameras and get on this first ride now. Alrighty, y'all, we got everything mounted up, ready to go. Let's hear it. Yes, got that rumble in that jungle, baby.
Part of our music and entertainment plan.
Yes, sir. She is looking nice, man. She is looking nice. Got that thing sounding good, running good. About to get this first ride with y'all. Let's get it, dog. I can't wait.
got a zip up a scouty. They painted up my billboard, they did some hell to find me. The ops, they know where I'm at. It ain't a try to spam, try to look over the biggest shit. If I put down my speakerphone, let it roll. Having sex with hoes who wouldn't fuck me like I'm prison rich, but the inside of me still bro. Know I'm a rapper, still got niggas I kill.
business. I'm running around laps on these niggas. Drastically killing, I'm loading the maximum fully. I got a Philly with a dick if you ask a pulley. I'm from the trip, trees really active, no torn. Mad Max in the story, left some matches in for you. Try to
finally made it back to the crib. That was a fun ride. I'm mad my freaking camera died, but we got a good few sound clips. I ain't gonna hold you. That one hurt my ears. This one definitely got the red and black one beat, man. That's crazy. That is wild, man. So now we got literally everything in here. We got the Street Glide, Road King, man. You guys let me know what your favorite bike is in the comments below right now, man. The CVO is riding and it sounded nice. The music on it sounds even better, man. I'm enjoying it. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide special, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, this one might be with it too. So I don't know, we'll see. But go ahead and enter. If I change my mind, hey, you got that one too. You got a chance at that one too. So either or, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. How did you guys like that first ride? The pipes on that thing is so freaking loud. Had my ears ringing the whole time, man. Every time I twisted that throttle back, man, ears was finna crack. Yeah, you guys already know I enjoy myself though, man. If you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, man. So help your boy out. I definitely appreciate your support, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide in black and red back here, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your white and black Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. As for the CVO, I might throw it in there. I might not. I'm not sure just yet. But if you grab your entry, hey, either way, you'll be good to go, man. So in the meantime, I am about to get ready to get up on this flight, get up out of here to Texas. So I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.